Welcome back, folks. This is the IC Trader. A brief review of the market so far. We've done the analysis last week, and within the week we had a nice price movement. So if you haven't watched my last video, you can go back and watch it and you learn. This channel is purposefully for your learning. Look at the daily time frame, UXDX, that's the DXY or dollar index. Make sure that your time is on the New York. Looking at our chart, we had this daily fair value gap that we're anticipating price. As I've said in the previous video, price should trace back into this daily fair value gap, but price didn't get to it, and then we have this move up to clear up the buy side liquidity, and then this buy side liquidity here. All right, looking at the structure of the market, going down to the 4 hours so that we can see what happened and then why price couldn't reach down to the daily fair value gap. As you can see, we had a low that was created here and price purged down into it, attacking the sell side liquidity and going high to attack the buy side liquidity and then the highs here on Friday. Let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. Still looking at this level here. As I've said, we had a drop down to attack the sell side here. Let me use this one. Sell side liquidity here. Price was attacked, or let me say the stop loss of the traders was attacked here, and then we had this reversal to attack the buy side liquidity up here. All right, we're anticipating price to drop down into this gap that was left to touch the high of the daily fair value, or as you can see, price falls short of it. As I've said, you have to be flexible. Then we had this break of market structure, creating this fair value gap on the 1 hour, showing that price have changed direction to the upside to attack the buy side. And then on Monday, on Sunday, we have this gap that was created. I was anticipating price to drop down. If you're on your chart, you have seen this, and then price went through it, attacking the sell side and then going up, respecting it here at this level here, respecting the high of this volume imbalance, this candlestick low and then this candlestick high, this black one and then this green one, attacking the buy side that was created here on Monday and then attacking the sell side on Friday. That's all about dollar index, that's DXY. Let's go to the Euro USDT. These are the pairs that I trade. So we have already analyzed it on Saturday last week, and then I've called price where price will go to. Then if you're on your chart, yes guys, price perfectly delivered as we are anticipating. Looking at the daily time frame of Euro USD, we were anticipating price to trace back into this daily fair value gap. If you haven't watched the last video, yeah, you can go and check it out and then see how we call. I said price was going to go to this daily fair value gap, and then long time it will attack this sell side, and then this one was already purged by these up candles, and then we had this brief retracement into the daily fair value gap and attacking this liquidity that was here. All this buy side, I used it to trade within the week, coming down from this daily time frame. Yeah, so let's look at the 4 hours. Looking at the 4 hours, as you can see here, we cannot see that daily fair value gap, but on the daily you see that there's a fair value gap that we're anticipating price to trace back. But if you're looking at the 4 hours, you might not see it. You just see this big one here, and then price went above this liquidity that was here, this liquidity, this high, purging them and then retracing back to attack the sell side that we have already outlined. And then looking at the 1 hour, you can see we had, let me delete this box. We're looking at this buy side, price went above it, respecting our daily fair value gap, and then we're having this break of market structure here on the 1 hour. If you remember, the DXY was showing the same thing on the 1 hour. You're able to be on your chart looking at this daily fair value gap. Could have traded it at this break of market structure, and then on the 1 hour, yeah, and then price surged down into Friday to attack this liquidity. I'll try within the week to show us how I traded this 4-hour fair value gap. This was created on Thursday and then respected on Friday, and then attacking the liquidity. And I'll show you how I traded it, what I was looking at, and then how it played out. All right guys, let's look at the GBP USDT. They are all opposite of the DXY, so keep following me and then you get to understand the difference between the DXY and then these two pairs. They are trading, this is the base currency and then this is the cut currency. So as the DXY is going up, the British pound USDT will be going down. Same thing with the Euro USD and then the NZD USD. All right, looking at the daily time frame of British pound, you can see we're anticipating price to retrace back into this fair value gap. As you can see, it respected it perfectly and then went down to attack this liquidity that was here, and then price stopping on Friday. So within the week we'll be anticipating, that's the week that we're entering, anticipating price to attack this liquidity that was here, or we have a retail retracement and then keep going down. That's my long-term range or long-term analysis on GBP USDT. Going down to the 4 hours, this is the level we outlined in the daily. As you can see, we had this brief going through of the, on the 4 hours we had this push to respect this fair value gap and then touching this order block and going down. In the next video I'll explain what order block is, and then we'll see how we can use it to trade. All right, so we had this purge above this liquidity to the same thing on the GBP USDT. As you can see from the DXY, we had the same thing. We had a sell side, and here we had a buy side that was purged by this price and then going down. Looking at the 1 hour, we had this price. Yeah, you can see that the structure was a bit clearer here. All right, we had this push to clear up this liquidity, respecting our daily time frame fair value gap, and then we had this break of market structure here. Let me zoom it out so that you can see what I'm saying. Sorry for that. On the 1 hour, this break of market structure creating this fair value gap, and then price to trace back. This is a good setup. I will try and explain what fair value gap, break of market structure is in the next video, so that we'll get to follow on and then understand all the structures in the lower time frame. Just doing top down analysis. Then we had price clearing this sell side that is here on the 1 hour. Let me clear up this. That was it, guys, and we had price tracing back, respecting this low and then this fair value gap that was here on Friday, and then price respected and go down, attacking the sell side a long time. Looking at this fair value, this liquidity, and then this low here, we have already purged this high, so I was anticipating price to purge this one, and then this level. Hopefully the week that will be entering, we have to be flexible. All right, so looking at this, let's look at the NZD USDT. That's the last pair. Look at the daily time frame. I said in the last video that I was looking at how price can retrace back and then respect this daily fair value gap, and price perfectly touched it by this candlestick, and then price started going down. Looking at this fair value gap that was respected, used it as a support and going back to this daily fair value gap. And then I was looking at this small mop hole here, that's this fair value gap. Long term, this week we are still down, and then I'm anticipating price to attack this and then fill up this fair value gap that is here, right here, or the wick above. This is where my eye goes to straight, and then this low that was created here. So there will be a lot of pool of liquidity there, and then it might be attacked within the wick that will be entering, or the upper wick. So long time we are looking at this low and then this fair value gap. Alright, so that's all about the analysis for the week and then the pre-market analysis of last week, what we have anticipated. And as you can see, price perfectly respected all our levels and then attack, even though DXY didn't touch the daily fair value gap. So thank you guys, see you in the next video, be blessed.